I am in a holiday situation, so the background is a little bit different. I'm on the mat here because I'm at the seaside and this is the best spot. So, with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop as we see here and we're looking at it together. First thing first, you can claim your Solayer labs. This is the last claiming of the Solayer labs that you have the possibility to do. As of right now, the token is at 65 cents per token, so I will leave the link down below. Make sure to go and claim it. I can claim 11.84. So it's about $6, which I can go and claim just like this one. You initialize the transaction, is on your Phantom wallet, so make sure to go and claim it because it is really, really good. After that, you will have it here on your Phantom wallet. As we see, we got the Solana token, we got the USDC, and we got the Solayer right here. So this is the one that I was eligible to go and claim. Next up, I do want to talk about my open position, as we see here on Weex, which, by the way, they have a 100 deposit bonus, which means you deposit $1,000, they give you $1,000 to go and trade with. So they match what you deposit. The link will be down below. Make sure to go and open it, and they will give you, as I said, 100% in trading bonus with an Ethereum position, which you can decide whether to go and open it as a long or as a short. And talking about the Ethereum position, which they give you with this promotion, I have opened it right here. It's an Ethereum long, the one I did. You pick your side. I think Ethereum at this time will go to $5,000 and above. We are in a very good market. So I did open the promo position for free on a long position on Ethereum. I also have a link right here. So as you see, I have both of them open it and over on Weex. So the link will be down below as well. They do have this very nice $1 million campaign right here, which is a competition for only Weex users. So make sure to go and sign up, dedicated to creators like myself for the audience. So I will leave you that as well. And simply go and register. And as you see here, you got all sorts of prizes as you go on with the trading. You got USDTs, you got trading competition, so this will leave down below. But as well, make sure to come and trade with me over on the 100% deposit bonus campaign, which you do have right here, and they will basically automatically open a long or a short position, your choice, on Ethereum, and I said long. Next up, we got the Eternal Season 0 is over. So their first, let's say, airdrop campaign, the season 1, is going to start, has already started, and it dropped with a 1 billion in deposit and more than 30,000 people getting involved. So if you did, you will be rewarded very juicy for this airdrop over here on the Ethereal DEX, because it is going to be super interesting as well, guys. Real fast, I am starting to post a lot more also on Twitter, so come and join me, come and follow me. The link will be down below. As you see, I post about 20 times a day, especially if you do like to trade. I post chart analytics over on Twitter, so come and join me on Twitter. It is free, just give me a follow over there as well. Next up, we got the Boundless story is also live over here, and I know a lot of you have participated in this free airdrop, so make sure to go and check your statistics. This is the website. I never participated in it, but connect the wallet, Kepler, MetaMask, whichever one you want, and simply go and see how you are doing in terms of tracking positions, proof, voting, time spent, verifying, and everything that you have done it. This is going to be really, really good for everybody that participated, and especially if you did leave your laptop, as we see here, being at it without turning off the PC for a couple of days. So just leave your laptop there and put everything to work. It's 100% easy, it's 100% free, which is really amazing. And guess what? I will go and join it right here. The signal has overlogged over 16.6 billion proof for 158,000 verifier members. So this is one thing that, starting from now, I will go and join. Simply leave the laptop running and you get it done. Next up, we also have the Billions Network TGE is coming in the next few months, as we see here from their pictures, meaning it's not coming tomorrow. But if you're participating in this airdrop, then it's coming really, really soon for you. So keep on, on Discord, going and interact, keep going as an audience member, keep going, because it is really, really important as we are able to go and see. Let me see how my lungs are doing. Perfect. I'm in profit. Absolutely amazing. Next up, we do have the Kamino airdrop season 4 is now live. Now, I did participate in the season 1, very delusional. Participate in the season 2? No. And the season 3? Yes. Again, very delusional. Am I going to participate in the season 4? Absolutely not. I think Kamino is a great place for you to do some passive income, in the way that if you want to lend, borrow, leverage position, trading, and Solana ecosystem, and all these other position, absolutely really, really good. They also have, if you want to simply go and supply your token for others. So you simply supply and other people will go and borrow against it. They have a really nice APY percentage, about a 6 to 7 to 8%, depending on the coin you want. So for that one, really good. Airdrop wise, I will forget it. It's here. I do have something within the portfolio, as we are able to go and see. I have staked Kamino. I have a position of Solana long, as we see over here, on the Solana long, which, by the way, for some reason is still at a loss, even though I did enter at 228. Liquidity price is this one, size is 56. I don't know why I'm in a loss when basically we are back at breaking even, but yeah, they gave it to me now. So I am completely done with Kamino. If you want to go and join, the link will be down below for the season 4. But personally, I have done with it. I don't want to talk about it anymore. Next up, we also have the Satlayer Foundation airdrop, which is coming. You can also go and check your allocation. Never participate in this one through the link down below. I will leave it here. Make sure to go and check it because it is really, really interesting. The best stories coming out this summer is Linea. And as we see over here, we have the Linea airdrop is coming very, very soon. Over on Discord, if you're not part of their Discord, they said that the information on the checker and the token generation event will be shared in the Linea announcement Discord channel when it is ready. Meaning that in a couple of days, we will have the token generation event, we will have the allocation, we will have the checkers and all of them goodies. So make sure to stick here. Make sure to go and be ready for it, because Linea is very important. You go and claim it as soon as you are able to, and of course I will take you the video for it. But with that said, thank you very much for watching, guys. I will see you all in the next video. Make sure to come and trade with me over on Weex. Amazing, 100% free money for all of you. So come and join, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.